Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best jump rope you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best jump rope on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which jump rope are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is waist out jump rope. Jump rope workout is definitely one of the most efficient calorie burning workouts for you whether you are a CrossFitter or a beginner in fitness. In terms of training volume, 10 minutes of rope skipping is equivalent to 30 minutes of jogging or 20 minutes of aerobic dance. The exercise jump rope is 9.8 feet long and contains a spare rope that can be adjusted to a longer length with a screwdriver for a taller individual. It is suitable for both adults and children. Skipping rope is an excellent kind of exercise for men, women, children, girls, and teens. The handle rotations are extremely consistent and smooth thanks to the dual speed bearing design. This skipping rope allows you to jump at a high speed while remaining smooth and free of tangled and twisted training ropes. It provides you more control and decreases the possibility of tripping. The workout jump rope is constructed of steel wire rope that has been coated with silicone substance for added protection. It has durability, endurance, and fluency, eliminates tangling and coiling, and allows you to jump on various flat surfaces. Adult jump rope is ideal for weight loss and training equipment for both men and women. This fast jump rope workout's handles are made of aluminum and are rather substantial. The hollow aluminum construction is lightweight and strong, providing a good grip for improved movement. It also relieves pressure on your arm when you skip. A wonderful workout can be done anywhere, even at home, with this high-quality fitness jump rope. Good for individuals who want to stay fit at all times. It is convenient and simple to use around the house. There's no need to worry about taking up too much room. For details, let's watch more. Our second best jump rope is Losio jump rope. This jump rope is comprised of steel wires that have been coated with a strong PVC material, making it durable even after extended use. Its adjustable length design allows you to customize the length to your needs, making it perfect for both children and adults. The skipping rope, which is equipped with high-quality ball bearings, allows you to perform comfortable jump workouts. It allows for quick jumps while shielding you from unwanted knots, meeting both your safety and convenience needs. The ergonomic handles are carefully built for your safety and convenience, with soft sponges covering the handles to make them easy to hold. Furthermore, the non-slip and moisture-wicking properties keep your palms dry, making every exercise comfortable and safe. Jump ropes for fitness are easily transportable. Put it in your pocket and use it to jump rope as needed, it's that simple. The handles are 1.3 inch in diameter and 6.3 inch in length, giving you a good grip that will help you with each leap. The 110-inch long rope allows you to change the length so that you can jump in the most comfortable position. With 2 high-quality ball bearings in each handles, the jump rope can glide through each turn smoothly and easily, causing no hassles or problems with your activities. The handles are covered with a layer of memory foam sponge, which provides a soft tactile sensation while absorbing sweat and allowing your palms to adhere to the handles tightly. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Daigle Rapid Speed Jump Rope. The ball bearing technology eliminates twisting, winding, and bending like other fitness ropes, ensuring steady and comfortable rotation, as our skipping rope can withstand huge loads, bringing you a flawless skipping rope exercise, as well as the best fluency for expert fitness professionals. This skipping rope exercise can improve your cardiac endurance, stamina, and speed while also boosting overall muscular tension. Excellent for boxing, MMA, and cross-training. The braided steel wire rope is coated with PVC, which is resilient and smooth, ensuring the longest possible service life and preventing cracking or breaking. The gym skipping rope is built with lightweight ergonomic handles coated with 6-inch soft EVA memory foam grips for an extra comfortable and powerful grip, so you can get the most out of your workout. The braided steel wire rope is coated with PVC, which makes it resilient and smooth, ensuring optimum service life and preventing cracking or breaking. This type of jumping rope is excellent for cardio training and is a fun method to get in shape quickly. You may burn calories and get a great workout by skipping or leaping. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Sportbit adjustable jump rope. The Sportbit exercise jump rope is simple to cut and customize. When altering the size of your skipping rope, you can even use kitchen scissors. This jump rope is 118 inches long and suitable for people of all heights. Furthermore, the absence of internal cables or metallic elements ensures your safety and convenience of usage. This speed jump rope is not prone to tearing or breaking. The Sportbit jump rope is designed to last. The handles rotate 360 degrees. It's ideal for both pros and newcomers. The 4.8-inch long handles are ergonomically designed to fit adult hands. This jumping rope's handles are easy to clean and non-slip. They also include a 360-degree jump rope spin to ensure smooth rotation. Use this jump rope workout in all of your aerobic and endurance training. This speed rope is great for calorie burning, increasing agility, functional training, leg training, and activities. This lightweight, portable exercise jump rope for ladies, men, and children is designed to be the ideal buddy throughout your workouts. It's ideal for high-speed leaping, double under jumping, or a quick workout. Jumping rope is an excellent exercise for losing weight, increasing flexibility, developing core strength, and improving heart health, plus it is extremely portable and easy. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best jump rope list is Redify weighted jump rope. This thick jump rope is a game changer for anyone trying to up their fitness game. The updated tangle-free double ball bearings ensure that the jump rope is tangle-free, fast, and smooth, allowing you to jump without worry. The gold combination of 9mm braided cotton rope plus 9mm solid PVC rope not only doubles the life of your jumping rope, but also allows your jump rope to flexibly transition from cotton rope to PVC rope, making your rope skipping more colorful. The jump rope's aluminum silicone grip handle not only makes it durable, but also nice to hold. The raised silicone oval design enhances friction and keeps the handle from falling off while jumping. This is an excellent choice for double unders, WOD, MMA, boxing, and CrossFit training. The 9mm braided cotton rope weighs 0.46 pounds and is 10 feet long. It has a 3-dimensional spiral braided construction, no odor, and a wear-resistant silicone protecting tube, making it more durable. The 9mm solid PVC rope weighs 0.58 pounds and measures 10 feet in length. When used, it requires the proper blend of speed and strength. The built-in lock can move freely and rapidly to accommodate your height. Indoor or outdoor rope jumping is appropriate for males, women, older people, and youngsters. Every time you hop up, you use energy. For details, let's watch more.